listening to our socialtv.co.za news feed. My name is Sam Marshall. Our top stories. Nedbank pledges 12 million rand for hunger relief efforts, and First for Women launches a For the Nurses campaign. Starting with our top story, Nedbank has pledged a 12 million rand donation in aid of hunger relief efforts and to help mobilize, train and equip volunteers with the necessary information and hygiene products to drive awareness across the country, prioritizing provinces with the highest infection rate. The bank will be working with the Department of Health, and each province will continue to work with local health departments to provide aid to vulnerable areas. The project involves comprehensive risk communication and community engagement, including hygiene promotion, which includes correct hand washing and sanitizing techniques, as well as information dissemination and awareness. Insurance company First for Women launched a For the Nurses campaign on Back a Buddy and kickstarted the fundraising effort with a 500,000 donation. Over 519,000 has been raised so far towards a fundraising target of 1 million rand. The funds raised will be distributed evenly between non-profit organizations, the Gift of the Givers and Trusted Medical Referral Network will have mobile to provide nurses with the support they need. Gift of the Givers will ensure that nurses across the country have the necessary protective gear to safeguard themselves against coronavirus. Well, Mobile, through their e-referral app and online system, will provide nurses, particularly those in rural areas, with psychosocial support. In an emergency, shout out to all South Africans and corporates. Shout SA has created a new public service initiative to get surgical and N95 masks to healthcare workers during the COVID-19 pandemic. Together with SMD Technologies, Shout for Masks was formed to raise funds to buy masks directly from factories, overcoming the risk of profiteering middlemen in getting vital supplies to healthcare workers and hospital patients. The Shout for Masks platform, which is www.shoutformasks.co.za, enables the donation of combination packs of both specialist and surgical masks to healthcare workers and patients for as little as 100 rand. And finally, the hospitality sector in South Africa has been hardest hit by the COVID-19 crisis, and amongst those most deeply affected are members of the bar and restaurant community who now find themselves out of work. Pernod Ricard South Africa has stepped in to help alleviate the economic impact through the hashtag Keep the Spirit initiative. The leading provider of premium spirits brands such as Jameson, Absolute and Chivas Regal will commit 2 million rand to support nearly 1,000 bartenders and waitrons over the current lockdown period. Let's recap our top story. Nedbank pledges 12 million rand for hunger relief efforts.
For more stories like these, go to www.social-tv.co.za, subscribe to us on YouTube and follow us on our social mediums.